Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Essex Bay, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater and large hail. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Eastern Point, Massachusetts, Beverly Harbor, Mass Bay buoy 44,029, Essex Bay, Plum Island and Ipswich Bay. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Here is the official